welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I insert battery and SD card in my camera info given in the description. So let's begin. This is my camera and we have a cover which is basically a battery and a card cover. So there is a thing that you just need to slide it on the right hand side. It will just gonna pop up. That is how you open this cover. There are two slots. One is for your respected battery and the memory SD card. First thing is wherever the lens is facing, the branding of the battery should face the same. The terminals will go to the downside. That is how I am inserting my battery in that particular slot. Once I insert it, you see there is a lock, the white thing over there on the right hand side down. So in order, when I want to get my battery off from the camera, I just need to press it a little bit and the lock will just gonna open the battery. The battery itself will gonna pop up. So the same thing with the SD card. I'll just gonna insert it. When I am inserting the SD card, there will be a click sound to it. You have to be, not too hard or anything, just a gentle press. And there will be a click sound. That means it is inserted. If I want to, take out my SD card, I just need to press it back again. It will pop up automatically. That is how it works. So that is how my battery and SIM and the SD card fits into the camera. I hope this video you find informative, you like it. So please do subscribe, like, share our video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.